Hi, my name's Ian and I like being in MPX.
Hi, my name is Kai and I'm in the MPX Go band.
My name is Mackenzie Mosca and I'm in the 9th grade. I'm in Pacific. My interests are basketball and Kempo.
Hi, I'm Kaylin and my interests are softball. The difference between standard learning and MPX.
Okay, in MPX, there's a lot of projects and we haven't taken one test yet. So that's a major difference. And in standard, you kind of just learn from a textbook and read it, take a quiz on it, and then you're never going to learn it again. But in MPX, if you've learned something, you kind of use it the whole year.
Why do you like MPX?
I like MPX because it's more fun than standard learning, and I'd much rather do hands-on work like cooking and growing plants in hydroponic systems than listening to lectures and doing tests.
Hey Ian, so how is our teamwork better than it was when we first started?
It's better because this time, or now we're actually collaborating as a group more, and before that we would just do our own thing and we wouldn't get as much done, but now since we collaborate before, we each have an individual thing to do, so then we finish that and get everything done on time.
Work.
So the way our system works is there's a pump underneath this bin that pumps up water, and it goes out from this way into these small pipes, and it comes out of these like faucet things, and then if you turn it, it stops, and if you go like this, it lets out all the water, and it travels all the way down, and it goes back down to these little pipes, into this big pipe, and it goes back down into the bin, so we can just reuse the water.
This is when we first started building our hydroponic system. This is when we started to put the PVC pipes on the system. This is before we put the bin for the water. And this is what our system looked like before we glued it. This is what our system looked like when we started growing plants and when our system was finished.
In your system and that A-frame system.
Okay, so as you can see, they're really different. One of the main difference is our group system is going this way, so it lays out horizontally, and then with the A-frame, the pipes go up and down instead of horizontal, and the pipes come all the way from the top and go and move down.
Okay, how can we be sustainable?
We can be sustainable by making our own hydroponic system and growing our own food and not needing the outside world.
Okay, Caitlin, so what is the competition that you are doing for KCC?
So using the vegetables that we're growing in our hydroponic system, we're gonna make our own dish that we've created. So each team has chosen their dish and they're using all the vegetables that they grew, and we're gonna cook it and compete against each other in a cook-off.
So for this cooking, do you do any cooking classes? And if so, what do you guys do?
So our class is taken to Cookio Community College, and we are instructed by the culinary experts there. So we learn like how to do basic skills like knife skills and like how to work all the equipment.